everybody! Welcome to the University Museum's Winter Wonderland Virtual Family Day. My name's Buie, and I have a little problem. Earlier today, I was exploring the museum galleries, and I seem to have lost my mittens and my boots. Will you help me find them? Great! We will have to retrace my steps. Follow me and keep your eyes peeled. Let's start in the Seymour Lawrence Gallery. I spent a lot of time looking at the animals by Morris Graves and Glenn Ray Tudor's photorealistic paintings. Let's explore the gallery, but remember to keep an eye out for my mitten. You found one of my mittens! It was right next to one of my favorite artists, Glenn Ray Tudor. Thank you so much! What was your favorite piece of art in the Seymour Lawrence Gallery? I liked that one too. I think I remember leaving my other mitten by a painting in the Theora Hamblett Dreams and Visions Gallery. Have y'all heard of Theora Hamblett? She was a very well-known Oxford artist famous for her trees. Let's go check out her gallery. Yay! We found my other mitten! Right next to one of my favorite paintings by Theora Hamblett, dancing on very soft rugs. Now my paws will be warm for the winter. But uh-oh, I still need to find my boots. Let's go look near the scientific instruments. This orrery, or planetarium, tells us where the first 3 planets would be located in our solar system on a given day. Do y'all know what that big gold sphere in the center represents? The sun! You're right! Great job! This planetarium really amazed me. Let's check out the rest of the gallery in search of my boots. over there at those optical paintings. One of my boots! We found it! I was definitely exploring the folk art exhibit. Let's go check in there. Maybe we will find my other boot by one of my favorite artists, Lester Willis. My other boot, right next to This Is It by Lester Willis. Now I have both of my mittens and both of my boots. I will be warm running around this winter. Thank you for your help. What was your favorite exhibit? What was your favorite work of art? Thank you again for joining me on this journey today. I hope y'all have fun creating your own art on this virtual Family Day adventure. Happy holidays, y'all!